up, YouTube? It's your girl Lele, and don't worry how my hair look because these fox locks is about to get took out. As you can see on my side, make sure you subscribe, hit that link description, comment, and put some Q&A questions down below in the comments. Put Q&A questions in the comments below. This my little puppy. This my little puppy. Katie. 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 No, don't let it out. Don't take it off because he gonna run. You walk him upside the sidewalk. Walk him up and down the sidewalk, Kale, so he can use it. Walk him up beside the sidewalk. Go, Katie. Run. You gotta say run. You gotta run with him, Kale. Run, Katie. So today we having a fun day with my dog, and today all we just doing is playing with the dog today. And tomorrow, if y'all had a Q&A questions, we could just go. I might do some Q&A questions with other YouTubers. I got 2 YouTubers that know me. Kale, don't bring it on the push. Take it, keep it outside. Run, say run. You can't drag it, you gonna choke him. Y'all look at the dog, he crazy. The dog crazy, he eat everything too. Run, dog, run. Run, Katie. Run, Katie. Run, Katie. Run. You gotta say stop, Kale. You gotta hit him. You just dragging it. Don't bring it near me, because the last time me and this dog got into it, that dog bit me. That dog bit me. I just couldn't do it. Dog, move, boy. You can't eat no leaves. Say run, Kale. You gotta say run. Look how he run. This dog is crazy. As y'all can see, this is a fun day with my dog. A fun day. Y'all see he having fun. Let me go get one of his toys. EJ, what his shoe thing at? His bone. His toy bone. Give me this thing. YouTube. It's just a little fun day with my dog. Look at the other dog just sitting in the window. The other dog, you can't be scared of it. Look, come get it, boy. Get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, boy. Go get it, boy. Tie it up, boy. Tie it up. Let me throw it, kid. I gotta throw it. Go get it. Go run. Run with him. Tie that thing up, Katie. Tie that thing up, Katie. Say hey, YouTube. Get it to me. Give it to me.
His legs stuck, bro.
Get it. As y'all can see, this is like a little fun day with my dog. Katie. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Tie it up, 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 boy. That boy said, I don't want that little ugly cat. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Boy. Alright, YouTube. This is the end of the vlog. I just want you to know. Subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. Get this video to 1,000 likes. And if this video gets 1,000 likes, I'll do the Q&A video on game.